My name is Rudolfo Sanchez, and I'm here to tell you about how misclassification affected my life. I met Manuel Rojas while working in a construction project in Fort Belvoir, Virginia. Manuel was a project manager for another contractor there. In late July 2010, after this project was over, Manuel offered me a job in D.C. with his company, White Star Builders. He offered me a job remodeling an apartment building in downtown D.C. I would be installing drywall, ceramic tile, painting, demolition work, and cleaning. Manuel promised me $25 per hour. I began working with Manuel, paying me with company checks. The check did not have any number of hours that I worked, any deduction for taxes or hourly rate. I saved the checks till the project was over since I was busy working and I didn't have time to deposit them. When I went to cash them, the cashier told me that there were not enough found in Manuel's account. I called Manuel many times trying to resolve this problem with him and never returned my calls. After several months, we spoke, and then later we went to his bank and he gave me about half he had owed me. He also gave me another check and he said that I could deposit it the following week. When I tried to cash this second check, again I was told there were insufficient funds and I couldn't cash it. Since then, Manuel has refused to answer my calls. While I was trying to resolve my problem of not being paid, I noticed that I was listed as a manager of White Star Builders website. And I was very confused about being, publicity or publicize my name as a manager since I haven't even been paid and I wasn't even being able to speak with Manuel. Even as February 2011, I was still listed as a manager on his website, White Star Builders. And I haven't worked for him since September 2010. Then I was referred to Employment Justice Center for help. When I went to EJC, I learned that I have many more rights than I had thought, such as the rights to overtime, workers' compensation, and unemployment insurance. I also learned that Manuel was not paying proper income taxes on my earnings. Currently, I'm pursuing my case in the small claims court, and I'm now facing problems serving Manuel and White Star Builders. Having a law that provides for more damaging penalties for this type of misclassification will make the time and energy that I'm spending on my case more worthwhile. And it will help prevent more people like Manuel from doing this sort of things to other workers. Thank you for listening to my story, and please pass the Workplace Fraud Act to support workers' rights and prevent exploitation. And this is not the only time that I worked for free in the past. So for me, if this law can get passed, it would be really greatly appreciated.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir.